When Hurricane Ian happened, you know, everyone was, of course, shocked that we lost the causeway. There was heavy winds, rains, surge water, flooding. Within the first week, we had boots on the ground. Within week 2, we were ferrying 25 to 50 trade partners daily, sometimes more. We had multiple projects that were under construction in various stages of the process. Most of our new builds had no damage at all. Most of our older homes and commercial properties that they didn't have flood damage had very minimal wind damage. The Island Inn, you know, that was a big story. They were ready for power within days after the hurricane. Benchmark's coming up on 40 years in Southwest Florida. We have over 1,000 projects out on the barrier islands. The structures themselves, they stood the test of time. You know, there was no major structural problems with any of our houses that I'm aware of, any of our commercial buildings that I'm aware of. From the insulation that we use, to the windows that we use, to how the roofs are strapped, the foundations that we use, we build projects that are meant to stand the test of time, that are passed down to generations. We want to build projects safely, efficiently, on time, and on budget. That's our goal on every single